Hey, what's up guys? It's the Western Nomad. I'm back at it exploring ghost towns. This time I'm in Montana at the lovely Virginia City. Virginia City was born in 1863 during the height of Montana's gold rush. Prospectors discovered a rich vein of placer gold in 𝐸 Gulch, sparking a frenzy that transformed this remote wilderness into a thriving boom town almost overnight. By 1864, Virginia City had become Montana's territorial capital and a bustling hub with over 10,000 residents. Saloons, brothels, and general stores lined the streets, catering to miners seeking their fortune. But as with many gold rush towns, the wealth brought lawlessness and danger. Infamously, Virginia City was also home to one of the most notorious outlaw gangs in the West, called the Road Agents, led by Henry Plummer, who also served as sheriff. The gang's reign of terror ended in 1864 when vigilantes took justice into their own hands, capturing and executing over 24 criminals. Though the gold rush waned, Virginia City endured. Today it's one of the best preserved examples of an Old West mining town, with many original buildings still standing. Visitors can experience authentic saloons, blacksmith shops, and even a 19th century brewery. Now designated as a National Historic Landmark, Virginia City offers more than a glimpse into history. It's a chance to walk in the footsteps of pioneers. With ghost stories, legends of buried treasure, and a touch of Wild West drama, this living museum captures the imagination of all who visit. Now, I was visiting Virginia City on the day of Christmas, actually, so as you can see, there's not many people out there, which was kind of a good thing and a bad thing. I wanted to talk to some of the locals and get their opinions of living here, but as you can see, it really is like a ghost town. I would drive to this ghost town just for the drive into it. I was coming from Bozeman, and you go through the town of Ennis, I believe, and it's just a gorgeous drive through a huge valley and up the mountains and down into Virginia City, and the views were just amazing. So this really is a cool, authentic mining town, and I'll let you enjoy all the sights and sounds. So I have to mention, I was unaware that there's another ghost town about 3 minutes down the road called Nevada City. So if you're in Virginia City, just keep going down the road and you'll find Nevada City, which I would just slept on that one and didn't do my research, but it looks like a really cool ghost town as well. So take the trip just down the road.
Times I've stranded, a castaway on unknown shore, although a stranger in this calm.